In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center Microsoft Word documents on widescreen monitors. If you're using a large or ultra-wide display, you may notice that your document appears aligned to the left side of the screen, leaving a large empty space on the right. This can feel distracting and make it harder to focus. Fortunately, there are a few simple adjustments you can make to center your document and improve your workspace layout. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. In many cases, the document may look off-center because of the current view settings. Go to the View tab at the top of the screen. Make sure you are in Print Layout view, as this view displays the page the way it will appear when printed. If another view, such as Web Layout or Draft, is selected, switch to Print Layout to restore the standard page positioning. Next, look at the zoom settings, which are also found under the View tab. If your zoom level is set too low, the document may appear smaller and positioned toward the left. Click on Zoom and select options like one page or page width. Choosing page width often centers the document more naturally within the window, especially on wider monitors. You can also manually adjust the zoom percentage using the slider located in the bottom right corner of the screen until the document feels properly centered. Another important setting to check is the side-to-side page movement option. If this feature is enabled, Word may display pages horizontally instead of vertically, which can shift the alignment. Under the View tab, ensure that vertical page movement is selected instead of side to side. If your document still appears left-aligned, try maximizing the Word window or adjusting the window size manually. Sometimes the application window itself is not fully expanded, which can affect how the page is displayed on larger screens. Finally, make sure the navigation pane is closed if you're not using it. You can toggle it off from the View tab. When the navigation pane is open, it takes up space on the left side, which can push your document away from the center. By adjusting the view mode, zoom level, page movement, and workspace panels, you can easily center your Microsoft Word document and create a more balanced, distraction-free layout on a widescreen monitor. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.